Samalam Day, guys. Market day of Malaysia. So I love this chicken nuggets. 450 each. Ayan. Ayan. Natapon na kasi ang dami. Ayan. Ito yung ketchup niya. Kuripot naman yung tindera. Dalawa lang yung pack ng ketchup. Then this one. Toasted fried squid. And this one, sausage. Longganisa, guys. Ang sarap. Then, after eating this, take this tea. Take this tea. Pampatunaw. Kain ng kain. Ayan. I don't have sweet corn. Meron pa pala ako, guys. Ayan. May mangga pa pala ako. Mangga. Then, this one, guys. Since I'm on the diet, so hindi na ako kakain ng rice. So, ito lang yung kakainin ko. Mangosteen. Then, magsasalad ako ng mango. Indian mango. Then, eto na. Ito na yung dinner ko. Nakakabusog to, guys. Promise. If you are on the diet, eat protein a lot. You need to eat protein para man mainit yung katawan mo. Then, vitamin C. Vitamin C. Needless to eat rice, ha? Diet, ha? Diet muna. So, that would be all, guys. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Let's eat. Let's eat.